Okay, so hopefully you've answered the question, and let's talk about it a little bit. So the idea is that when there is no more hydrogen left in the core to fuse, the core contracts because when the hydrogen fusion stops, pressure goes down. As the core contracts, it heats up, but it's not hot enough yet for helium fusion to start. It has to get to a very high temperature, up from about 15 million degrees up to 100, has to get up to 100 million degrees because that's how much energy you need to shove these heliums together. So there is still some fusion going on in the star. It's in a thin shell around the core of the star where there's still hydrogen. It's happening at a higher rate because it's hotter, and because there's all of this energy being created in the core that increases the luminosity of the star and increases the pressure, and so the outer layers of the star start to expand. The inner layers are shrinking, the outers or the core is contracting or shrinking, the outer layers are expanding. Um, let's talk a little bit about mass. So, as a star is going from the main sequence to a red giant, its mass essentially does not change. There is a little bit of mass being consumed in the fusion reactions, but as the sun becomes a red giant and expands to a larger and larger diameter, um, the total mass is not increasing, it's staying the same. And so the sun is getting much less dense than it was when it was on the main sequence.